In this video, we will be showing you how you can fix your media controls that are not working on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. First is to do this simple quick fixes. On your watch, go to settings and head to display and click the auto launch media controls and toggle it on and then off. Another tip is to restart your watch and phone to clear temporary glitches. Next is to head to your phone. In your Galaxy wearable app, you can find the watch settings and then you just need to head to the apps and then find the music application and select the permissions and ensure that everything is toggled on or they are all on. Now inside your watch, you need to head to the settings and click the apps and then find any music app that you are currently using and also check the permissions. Next is to use the quick panel on your watch to switch the media output device if it is stuck. You can also clear the cache data for the music application that you are using on your phone. Basically, that's it. That's how you can fix the media controls that are not working on your Galaxy Watch 8, and thank you for listening.